filter in Honda CR-V 2019. First thing we push. What do we push here? Oh, I think on both sides. And there is something here. See? I open this. Is this? It's kind of look like a hook. So basically, when this is closed, okay, it's holding. So you have to push it so it opens. Okay, there is the filter. Take this filter. Oh, there is a little on the side. This is like a cover. You have to unscrew it, and now the filter will come up. There we go.
Ew.
Here we have
Ew.
squirrel. But which way it was, because there is an arrow here. Airflow.
Face up.
Facing up, airflow.
Facing
Okay.
up. Airflow.
Okay, putting the new filter in. All right. Taking the cover back on.
Take it, my gosh. Can you please?
Hold
How
it,
come
yeah?
it's only click?
No, it's click, this holding. So
But on the right side, it doesn't go in.
it's click, the same thing. Click on the air.
Pull. Try to pull the right one.
You see?
Okay.
Good?